turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the logo of the radiator grille, insert the key to release it, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench, a small extender and an 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Then pull on it to remove it. You will now have access to the 6 screws on the air filter flange. Unscrew them using the socket wrench, a small extender and a Torx T20 socket. With a small flathead screwdriver, remove the air flow meter connector. Lift the flange cover and remove the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in place. Make sure you put it in the right way up. To put the new one in place, slide it in from the right of the compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the cover back on. Put the 6 screws back in place and tighten them using a socket wrench, a small extender and a Torx T20 socket. Make sure you don't tighten too much, as you might damage the plastic. Reconnect the airflow meter connector. Put the air inlet conduit back in place. Then tighten the clamping clip. Operation completed.